Hi everybody, here we are again, Juan from Focus On. Today in Norway at the university in Telemark, we are going to see a Focus One device installed with our colleagues from Samsung. Together with Jan, we're gonna see how Samsung MatTek supports the local community here by educating, teaching the students at the university here about Industry 4.0, the new way and the new era of the process industry. And I'm curious, I hope you guys are also, so let's go together. Hi Jan.
Hello Juan. So, you finally made it to the university?
Yeah, we did.
Here's our beautiful Focus One, which we in MatTek use at the university to do test with the valves, present it to customers who is curious on how it works in the field, and the students here can use it as much as they want and try and test different things. And as we can see, it's blinking blue right now, trying to find something to communicate with. Hopefully we're going to be able to hook my phone up to the valve very soon, and we can see how the status is. And then we're going to fire up the whole test rig and see how it performs in action.
Jan, please explain us, what are we seeing here?
We have two monitors. One is for our DCS system, which we can see the pump in green, pumping water from our feed water tank up to this pipe. And we have a set point right now at 250, which we also can see it's nice and stable. So we're going to change it up to 300, and we're going to see how fast the valve is going to react to all of that. So we change it to 300 kilos there. So you see we have a change here, and you see the valve follows, and we got the change and reach the set points within seconds, or tenths of seconds actually. So it's performing really good. As you can see, our green line is the flow meter, and the red one is the pump, and the yellow one would be the output of the valve in percentage. So it's performing really good, and we can try to go down to 250 again and see how it will handle that. Change it to 250, and we immediately see the change in set point here, and you see the flow meter follows with the reaction of the valve, and you can see it's tenths of seconds until you reach your desired set point.
I hope to see you soon, Jan.
We will.
I hope to see you soon again, and thank you for everything.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you all for watching. It was great to see how Jan and his colleagues from Samsung MatTek here in Norway supports the local community and helps the process industry here in the region by integrating Focus On and optimizing their process. If you're a Norwegian customer and you want to know more about Focus On and what it could do for you, there are two options. Contact Jan and contact the colleagues here at MatTek, or click on the link above. From the 31st of May until the 2nd of June, we will be present at the Eliaden in Lillestrøm. Please visit us, come to see me and Jan there, and hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.